Hello everyone, today with you Alexandra, Runes Academy, and at this sunny day in California in San Francisco, near this gorgeous beautiful ocean, I want to share with you ancient knowledge about the runes. Runes are universe energies, and there are 24 runes. They are responsible for different facets of our lives. So every rune is the magical key to change this facet of our life. And today I will tell you about the rune Soul. And this is the rune of sun, the energy and power of the sun. So whatever you can think about the sun, you can think about this rune. This rune gives you the energy of the sun, the activity, the brightness, the leadership, the charisma. And so this is the rune also victory of the receiving results and celebrating these results. And it's also about celebration of our life, just to feel, to joy, to enjoy it, and to celebrate our lives, to find our true self and celebrate about it. This is also the rune of leadership. It teaches us how to be real leaders, how to attract needed people to your life, how to attract them to your projects, and how to guide them in really harmonic and proper way to be real leader. And this is the rune of the health. Especially it's helpful on the long winters, then we have lack of the sun energy. For sure it's not about the California. Here there is sunny, but it's helpful for other regions in the winter to feel the sun and to saturate ourselves with this energy, with this joy. So when you feel illness or tiredness, you can meditate with the rune and receive the sun energy to clean yourself from the illness and to saturate yourself with joy, with sun, with health, with activity, with vigor, and with willingness to win, and actually with energy and power to win. Okay, this was what I want to tell you. To know more, you're welcome to join our webinars, seminars, retreats. The nearest one will be here in California, in Isis Oasis Center, Retreat Center. It will be a women's seminar and retreat, but we are holding different seminars for both men and women, and runes and guided meditation. Meditation under these runes helps greatly to the people to change their lives, to find their true self, and to grow spiritually. Runes are ancient knowledge that were hidden for a long time, and now it was revealed by the shamans, and they share with us the technology, how to be initiated to this energy and how to share this energy with our people, how to share this healing, powerful. Again, Alexandra, Runes Academy. See you.